So, Andre, how many keys to your trade-in do you have?
Just one.
Oh my gosh, Andre, where is the other key?
I lost it a long time ago, like when I first got the car.
No chance of finding it.
No, sir.
Okay. You know what? Did you happen to purchase key replacement with your vehicle when you bought it?
No, I didn't.
Okay, Andre, that's unfortunate. And here's why I say that. Any idea how much it costs to replace a key fob, and program it these days?
Now probably like $100-something.
Well, we should be so lucky. Those key fobs are little mini computers. All right, they have chips in them. They require programming. They are literally from $200 to $400 to replace and program.
Oh wow.
Okay? Had you had key replacement, it would have replaced it for you at no cost. And the reason that's important is because those keys are so expensive. Literally, the more keys you have to your vehicle, the more valuable your vehicle. Now, you'll be glad to know that the Motor Trend certified vehicle you're looking at comes with key replacement complimentary for 6 months. And if you plan on keeping the vehicle for longer than 6 months, you can always extend that coverage, something you may want to consider.
Oh, that sounds good.
Okay, so what have I just done there, Josh?
Showed the benefit of the key replacement.
That's one thing. What else?
Devalued the trade.
Devalued the trade. That's another thing. By the way, did I say a bad word about the trade?
No.
No, not at all. What else did I do?
You
I teed up the finance department for an extension of the coverage. All right.